Hi guys, it's Cole Campbell from Applied Fasteners and Tooling. Today I wanted to show you the CB92 kit, which is a really handy kit that can be used for all sorts of installations for studs or standoffs, nut plates, etc. The kit itself comes with a whole series of products that you would need to do the install. So we've got the adhesive, solvent wipe, little Scotch-Brite pad, a mixing board. This one's got a demo kit in it, which we'll use today. And then on the other side, we've got some parts that we can do some installs with. So if you come closer, Tegan, you'll be able to do that. So firstly, what we'll do is we'll do a surface prep. And the surface prep is just a simple abrasion. What we want to do is we want to get rid of any oxidization. We'll give it a wipe with the wipe. Take that out, give that a little squeeze because sometimes there's excess there. And then we'll just give that a wipe. Okay. We'll let that flash off for a second. We'll prep our adhesive. What I like to do with that is I like to get all of the activator out first. So I'm just going to lay that out there, squeeze the activator out. I've got the activator out and then the adhesive. And all that does is it just makes sure that I've got enough activator. So I'm going to mix that up. Mix it nice and thoroughly. So you've got a nice consistent colour and it's just like an off-white colour. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now the parts. There's a cable tie mount, CB9120, which we use in lots of applications. We've already done our prep. We just use a small amount across there. And the trick to these is you want to locate it. You push the outside first and then you push the inside. Once you push it down, it locks it into place. I've got another one here which is a stud. I'll just flip those off and we'll put another small amount. That's enough. I want to locate it. Locate it there on the outside, push the inside down. We've got a nice little ring around there. And there's one more, which is a nut plate. So we just get a small amount of adhesive on the nut plate. Locate the holes. Orientate it, bring it down, and that's it. So the 92 kit comes with everything you need to do a prep, and we stock them in Australia, so if anyone needs any, just contact us and we'll be able to help you out. Thank you.